Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. In today's maths class, we will be continuing lesson number 11 multiplication. And the topic which we are going to learn today is multiplication stories. So, multiplication stories means the word problems which are based on the multiplication operation. So, children, the first and foremost thing which you have to remember is whenever you are solving any word problem, you have to read it very carefully. You have to understand it, what the problem is saying and what it is asking. Okay? So, while doing multiplication, you know that we perform multiplication when more is asked. When some information is given to you, in word problems, some information is given to you and other thing is asked. So, for that, you solve the question. Okay. So, first you have to remember that whenever you are performing multiplication operation, then it means you have to find out more. कम चीज़ें आपको दी हुई होंगी और आपको ज़्यादा मालूम करना होता है. Then in that case you do multiplication. So now let us start with the first word problem which is already solved for you. A cat has two eyes. You can see in the picture there is a cat and it has two eyes. So this is the first information given to you. How many eyes 5 cats have? Now what is asked to you? How many eyes 5 cats have? If one cat is having two eyes, then how many eyes will 5 cats have? तो यहाँ पर आपको लेस नंबर दिया हुआ है, 1 के बारे में दिया हुआ है और ज़्यादा आपसे पूछ रहा है. It is asking more about 5 cats. So what you have to do? You have to do multiplication here. So what you will write? First you will write 2 multiply by 5. Okay. What information is given? That you will write at the top, then you will make the symbol of multiplication and then you will write the number what is asked. Okay, that is 5. Now you will read table of 2 5 times. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 5s are 10. So 10 eyes. So 5 cats will have 10 eyes. Alright. Now let us see another problem. You can see a man standing. So a man has 2 feet. You have also heard this word feet in the previous lesson, that was measurement. So a man has 2 feet. This is the information given to you. How many feet 4 men have? Now this is asked to you. So the information is 2 feet. So you will write 2. Then what it is asking? About 4 men. So you will write 4 below 2. And you will put the symbol of multiplication, that is a cross symbol. Okay. So यहाँ पे 2 feet आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है अबाउट 1 मैन और आपसे 4 मैन के बारे में पूछा है. मीन्स कम दिया हुआ है और ज़्यादा आपसे पूछा है. सो यू हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो 2 you will read the table of 2 4 times. Okay, 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? 8 feet. 4 men will have 8 feet. Alright, now let us see the next multiplication story. There are 5 fingers on one hand. You can see your hand also, it has 5 fingers. So this is the first information which is given to you. Now what is asked? How many fingers are there on 6 hands? So information about one hand is given and what it is asking about 6 hands. वन हैंड में आपके 5 फिंगर्स है, तो अगर 6 हैंड्स हैं तो कितनी फिंगर्स होगी. सो इट इज़ आस्किंग more. Okay, so it means you have to do multiplication. So you will write 5 at the top, then you will make the symbol of multiplication, and below 5 you will write 6, because we have to find about 6 hands. So you will read table of 5 6 times. 5 6 are 30. So 30 fingers. 6 hands will have 30 fingers. Now next is, an elephant has 4 legs. This is the information. How many legs 3 elephants have? So information about one elephant is given, and you have to find out about 3 elephants. So for one elephant has 4 legs, so you will write 4 first. Then you have to find out about 3 elephants, so you will write 3 below 4, and you will put multiplication symbol. So you will read table of 4 3 times. 4 3s are 12. 12 legs. So 3 elephants will have 12 legs. Okay. Now in the next picture you can see some books. A child has 3 books. How many books 6 children will have? So here information about one child is given, that one child is having 3 books. So how many books will 6 children have? So here you have already learned that multiplication is repeated addition. Yes, so every child is having 3 books means, and you have to tell how many books 6 children will have. So you can also add 3 6 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but it will take too much time and it is a long process. So for that we do multiplication directly. So first you will write 3, and you have to find out about 6 children. So below 3 you will write 6, and you will put the multiplication symbol. Okay, so what is the answer which you will get? 3 into 6, that is 3 6 are 18. So 18 books. 6 children will have 18 books. Now the last problem is, a car has 4 wheels. How many wheels 8 cars have? So the information which is given to you is about one car, that one car has 4 wheels. And what it is asked, how many wheels 8 cars have? So it is asking about 8 cars. So first whatever is given to you, that you will write, that is 4 wheels, so you will write 4, and below that what the problem is asking to you, about 8 cars, so you will write 8 below 4. And since you know that this question is asking about more, so you have to do multiplication. You will read the table of 4 8 times. 4 8s are 32. So 32 wheels. 8 cars will have 32 wheels. So children, I'm repeating once again, whenever you are solving word problems or the stories based on multiplication, addition, subtraction, any story, then you have to read it very carefully. First you have to focus on the information which is given to you, and then you can easily solve that problem. Okay, so practice it, revise it, and I'll give some more word problems to you in the next class. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Thank you.